Now, two Indians have managed to return from the conflict zone. Imran Rajput and Altaf Gandhi worked at a water purification plant about 50 kilometers from Mosul. Home now with their relieved families. They talked to CNN IBN's Meghdut Sharon about the danger that almost came close.
How fearful is the place?
Really, it was very fearful. I cannot explain you, really. But I am thanks to Almighty Allah that I come here safe. It's a mercy to me, and for Altaf also, and for all. I was 50 kilometers far from Mosul, but we was scared because we don't know that whenever they will come here also, and we will also be killed. That's why we was scared, and there was not any other reason. Today is the very best day for me because today I become 24 years old. Today my birthday also, and I came to India safely. I am very thankful. Yeah, I am very thankful to Allah.
बाद में तो ऐसा हो गया, सब भागम भागी हुए तो हम भी डर गए। फॉरमैन के पास गए तो फॉरमैन ने बोला इधर कुछ डरने की बात नहीं है, अभी इमीडिएटली मिलिट्री बुला के आपको सेव करते हैं, आप अपना काम जारी रखो। और पूरे के पूरे शहर बर्बाद कर दिए। वो लोग कत्लेआम करके चले गए, उधर की आवाम थी जो बिछड़ चुकी थी, उसने लूटपाट करके पूरे शहर को बर्बाद कर दिया।